Get acquainted with the 2015 BMW X5. With less than 100,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The X5 speaks the language of adventure. Big and bold, its all-terrain versatility, advanced driver-centered technology, and sublimely luxurious interior are ready to take you wherever inspiration beckons. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, heated mirrors, wood grain interior trim, power passenger seat, fog lamps, dual zone AC, heated front seat, power driver seat. Experience the pleasure and assurance of owning the journey. Drive the X5.